Hey folks, this is Jay Austin for Woodworking Blues. Doing something a little different today. Some of you may know, we have a couple of rental properties, a couple of mobile homes on 3/4 of an acre near a beautiful lake. And we just started listing it on Airbnb. We've got some good interest in the big one. Already had a couple of reservations, got one more coming. And now trying to get this little one up in shape and put him on the side as well. And for those of you who wonder what I'm doing, this is just that green mildew, moss, black, green, whatever you want to call it, that gets on the side of anything really, houses, mobile homes, sheds, workshops, whatever. And yeah, you can power wash it, but I'm not real familiar with mobile homes and the vinyl siding on mobile homes, so I didn't want to take a chance. So I just used this pretty nice little sprayer, little fancy sprayer. I believe it's 5 gallon, and put about a gallon of bleach in it and let it soak a little bit, and most of it just melts away. Some of the more heavier caked on stuff I had to scrape, but here's the side I've already completed. So just to kind of give you an idea, started this about an hour ago. It's getting kind of dark, so it may not come through perfectly, but you get the idea. Compared that to this, almost done, gotta hurry, I'm running out of daylight and I want to get it done, but I just wanted to show you my little project. Jay Austin for Woodworking Blues. Join Airbnb when you can. Thanks for watching.